Hey, how you doing? What's up? So we're back in the camper. How exciting. It is 74 degrees outside. It is absolutely fantastic. Coming out of winter is always like coming out of a deep, dark cave. I am not a fan of being cold, and this winter has really shown out with the whole being cold thing. So today I thought maybe we would get out some knobs and see about getting them in some drawers. That would be kind of fun. Maybe this drawer is full of crap. Everything is pretty full of crap because I just kind of crammed everything in to go inside for the winter. So let's see. I have 3 lengths of screws. These may just do it. Let's find out. Okay, so I have all different colors of these. They're so pretty. I just have to, I do believe that's going to do it. Might have to actually get a screwdriver here in a minute, but for right now, this'll do. Yeah. Isn't that cute? It's so cute. Yes, I am going to have to go. Oh, wait. There's a screwdriver. It is not the right screwdriver. I need a Phillips head. Well, I've got about 20 of them somewhere, so that ought to be okay. Now, I also have these little flower ones. You know, I have had these since last summer. I have. It's been a minute. But I kept trying to, you know, come to a nice place. Now the problem with these is that the screws are 4 yards long, and I don't need all that. So, oh wait, these are the ones that go this way, right? Because they have these little, I don't know what those are for. Oh, yeah, I do, actually, I think. Let's see. Interior design is not my thing. It's not my thing, but I think those go like that. Yeah. And oh Lord, who knew one little knob could have so many bits? Yeah. These little thingamabobs go here. This goes here. This goes here. Good grief. That might be a little more than I'm looking to fiddle with. I don't know, it's kind of cute though, I have to admit. And this goes into here. Well, that's a pretty good length, actually. I thought those were going to be way too long, but they're not. Alright, so I also need a little wrenchy dude. Oh, that is so cute. So cute. So cute. Oh, so cute. I just have to figure out which ones go where. Let's see, what color is this one? Ooh, she purple. She very purple. I like these. I mean, these are cute, but I think we might have to save those for some other time. I mean, they're really cute. But I kind of love the vibe of the other ones. So, let us just put this back together. Now, I may change my mind by the time it's all over. You know who I am. I'm a mind-changey kind of gal. What am I doing? I don't know. So, I'm just gonna stick this back in here. Now, there aren't very many of these big flower ones, which is fine, because I think I only have 4 drawers that they'll actually fit. I think I have 6 of them, so let's see what else we have here. We've got this little blue one. This is hard for you guys, isn't it? We've got this little blue one. Hey, come back here. Little blue one. We've got another one just like the one we put down there. There is this yellow one. That's cute. Oh, this one's cute too. Look at that. I love her. Okay, so I think we're gonna... How do I make such a mess in such a short time? Okay, so our screw. Which one we put up there? I think we'll put this one up here with this little thing and this. Who knew that knobs could have so darn many bits? Okay. First to go through here. And go through here. This is hilarious, you guys. This is so many things. Oh, crap-o. I put 2 of them. These little things are so thin. There we go. That's better. Back in you go. Literally having to screw this all the way through the hole. Handy dandy. Then a little nut. Those are so friggin' cute. I can't stand it. Scissors. Makes it a lot easier to get the drawers in and out, I can tell you that. Now, up here, blue. And dum-de-dum-de-dum. So many bits, man. Through here. Here. These are so flippin' cute. Past me did a great job picking these out. Now, if current me could only get them in through the little holes. There it comes. Ta-da! I've got to get that door back up here. I think it's still in the studio waiting for a stencil. So, Kelly, why have you waited until the last minute to do your stencil? Because that's just me. Little bass backwards. It's okay. Ooh, that one's snug. Real snug. We might have to get pliers for this one. There she comes. And a nut. These little nuts are hilarious. They're so little. Come back here. I'll tighten these down eventually. It's not like I'm leaving tomorrow or anything. Let's get to it later. Anyway, we have little knobs on things. So cute. Now, I think maybe I can use these. What are my shortest screws? I don't know. These might still be too long. I have little knob holes down here. Let's see. I think these will look cute. They'll look fine with the flower ones. Yeah, that's too long. I was afraid of that. Okay. I need to get some little mini screws because that this stuff is so thin. Wait though, she said. I have this little batch of pulls. I think that's what these are. I have had stuff ordered and in the house for so flippin' long, you guys, that I can't remember what's what. Let's see. Let us see. These are tiny. Tiny, tiny. I don't know. I think those will drive me nuts. Yeah, that's silly. What I need to do is just go and get some super short, like half this long screws, because you know that wood is like 1/4 inch. It's ridiculously thin. So that being said, let's see what else I have that I can get into here. Oh, those are for... Oh, wait. What did I get these for? These will work over here, I'm pretty sure. Not that screw. That screw's too short. That screw. That's these. I love how they send a billion screws. I really need to go ahead and get a screwdriver, huh? That would be smart. Probably means I won't do it. Wow, that's short. Now that's cute. One. Where are the other two drawers? Alright, everybody quit looking. I found them. Okay. Let's see. Red. Got that little purple one. She's cute. We got green, blue, pink. I think we'll go green, blue, and purple, and red. Green, blue, purple, red. Sounds like a good mixture. She's pretty. Maybe this is what I got these for. I don't know. I got so excited when I got this camper, you guys. I was elated, and I had all this planning and all these cool ideas, and I started buying stuff, and then I was like, I bought so much stuff that I about sent myself to the poorhouse, so I had to stop buying stuff. So I've got plenty of stuff to make it cute, but not plenty of stuff to make it useful. I get with it. I get to it. Anyway, come on. I've had this stuff in a box, you know, crammed in the house, and crammed here and crammed there, and kind of maybe forgot what some of it was for. You know, like which knobs did I mean to put where, that kind of thing. Yeah, whoops. Oh my God. Look how cute. Love it. Oh my goodness, those are so adorable. Now we're gonna go with green. Let's see what color green this is. I don't know. Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. I have a bunch of these knobs, so if I get tired of granny core over there, I can get these out. Have plenty. I need to bring up my paintings that I did that close off the turnbuckle spaces. This takes a minute. Much like everything else in life that's worth a shit, just takes a minute. I may have to go get a screwdriver. I could have swore I had one out here, and I probably do somewhere. I'm gonna have to go get a screwdriver. Okay, I went and got a screwdriver. Let's see if it's small enough. Not really, but I think we can make it work. I can't believe I'm sitting out here. It's not even mid-March. It's close. Not even mid-March in a friggin' t-shirt. This is like the best day of my life, you guys. I have needed this so bad. I don't do well with yuck weather and dark. And it got better. I did a challenge on my art channel, and that may have saved my bacon through the god-awful month of February. February is so dark, and we had like 2 blizzards. It was crazy. And it was just, it gave me something to do, and I badly needed something to do. So I may have saved my own bacon with that one. It like to kill me. Anything where you have to create, edit, well, plan, create, clean, edit, upload, post, reply to comments daily will take 6-7 hours a day. My poor house was completely, it should have been condemned. It was dicey, but it didn't give me time to think about, oh, life is awful, because February life in Massachusetts can be pretty bad. So let me show you my little knobs. There are my little knobs. I still have to put on the hardware to keep the drawers closed. Those are so cute, you guys. So there's those knobs. Here are these knobs. Aren't they adorable? Yes, they are. So let me see how hard this, let's see how, now what did I do with them? I have hardware here somewhere. Maybe it's, what did I do with it? Clearly at some point, I had an idea. I have so much stuff here, and I don't know what in the hell I meant to do with any of it. I think I meant for these little pretties to go on those drawers. I think that's what I had in my head, but I think we're not going to do that. I think we're going to put them up here. I think the screws are going to be too long. Yeah, they are. I need, wait, didn't I just have, where did I see those? These might actually work, I don't know. Come here. This little skinny wood stuff. Oh, the breeze is blowing. It's beautiful. Let's open it. Get some air up. Gotta get some air up in here. There we go. That's beautiful. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I need. Lord. I need a brain to think with, you guys. Okay, that's them. Mercy. Two of these. Oh wait, this might work for those too. I think they were a little too much. Okay. Those are cute. Those are cute. They look like they belong on a little dollhouse or something. Very cute. I don't think they'll fit in here. Pretty sure they won't. Pretty sure they're too small. Which means, yay, a trip to the hardware store. Actually, they do fit. That's pink. Let's see how this goes. Probably gonna have to go to the hardware store anyway, but I might not have to go right now. I am 100% not complaining about the sun being too bright. Hell no, I ain't. Not me, kid. Oh wait, I might not need those for this. Let's see here. I need like multiply jointed arms. Aha. Yeah, we do need one, I guess. Good grief. Good gravy. I need to take the dogs on a walk. It is way too pretty to have them stuck in the house all day. Perfect. Now that's cute. Yes. Granny core for the win. What else we got? Yellow. Is that purple? Red. Another red one. Oh, she blue. She pretty. I like that. And yellow. Ooh, she pretty too. I mean, they're all pretty. What else? What is this? Clear. And the black. I think this one's just, yeah, this one you don't see through. It's just black. Pretty, but not, doesn't really go with the rest of the bob. So I think we'll go blue. I'm gonna be a screw short. What else is new? That's okay. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Actually, I won't put two in. That way I'll have one to carry to the hardware store with me. You would think around here I would have one somewhere. And I might. Oh, wait, I might. cute. It really does just complete the look. I don't think these are going to fit. They're going to be too small. Oh yeah, that's too small. I thought maybe, but no. Yeah, no. Alright. I've watched people use this stick-on tile in their campers and RVs, and theirs is also neat and nice. Mine's not. Neat or nice. It's okay. It is what it is. I am also not neat. Or sometimes nice. So, it is what it is. I am going to wind this up for the moment because I have to go to the hardware store before I can put these on, because I need to get more of those, which I don't have just laying around here. Sad, but true. So I'm getting ready to go walk the dogs, and then I have to paint tonight, and it's supposed to be chilly tomorrow, so we got like 2 days of beautiful weather, and I'm not gonna fight about it, man. I'm taking them and just being so happy and so grateful that I had a couple of days to get some sun in my amoebas. This has been absolutely thrilling to be out in the sun, and I hope that you too are enjoying some decent weather, and I hope that you like my knobs. I love these, they're so cute. I just have to figure out how to keep the drawers shut now again. Anyway, we'll figure that out. That's a project for future Kelly. So thanks so much for coming by and spending your very finite time with me today, and I am gonna go walk my dogs. See you next time. Bye.